I really don't know how to choose the right tree when I'm at a nursery because there's just hundreds of them out there.
There are, Danny. I mean, one of the first things you want to look for is the actual branching structure of the tree. So I got this as an example for you of what not to buy. If you take a step back, you're going to see there's no one main leader. And then these branches are crossing back on themselves. So this is really not good.
I can see where that would be somewhat of an odd looking tree after it grows a bit.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of a disaster in the landscape.
And that looks like a disaster down here.
Well, down here, just look at this. See how it's rocking in its pot? This is a very bad sign for the root structure of the tree.
Also, I see these roots popping up along here. That can't be good for the tree.
Well, things like this are actually called girdling roots. And if it started to do that in the pot, it's likely that it's going to carry on doing that once you put it in the ground. And if it keeps girdling like that, it can actually kill the tree.
Well, I hope the nursery gave you a discount on that one.
Well, they did, actually.
Well, this is a good looking tree. I think magnolia, is that right?
That's exactly right. This is called Little Gem because it's got smaller leaves and it's got this beautiful brown on the backside. You know, magnolias are a little quirky in the in their pot, but this actually has a great structure. It's very evenly spaced.
It seems like they've trimmed it up nicely along the way to keep that shape as well.
They have, and then down here you can see it's very, very strong in its pot. It doesn't rock at all.